Ducati's 2024 Multistrada V4 RS is the sportiest multi ever. Ducati's Multistrada 1000 debuted at 2001 EICMA and immediately stirred lots of comments, both pro and con. On the positive side was its basic concept of a touring bike that smartly mixed dynamic sport bike performance potential with a comfortable riding posture and aerodynamic protection for long-haul tours. The negative, the bumper car styling of the top fairing. It was designed by Pierre Turpinage, but it was embarrassing to the point that it never captured the hearts of the Ducati enthusiasts. From that ugly duckling 1000, the Ducati Multistrada has become a successful adventure machine through several redesigns and powerplants. Then in 2021, the mighty Multistrada V4 replaced the previous V-twin versions, rewriting the mission of one of the most successful Ducati models ever. A 1,153 cubic centimeters non-Desmo Gran Turismo V4 capable of 170 horsepower and 36,000-mile major service intervals gave the new Multi-V4 plenty of power with long-distance confidence. 2024 Ducati Multistrada V4 RS dry clutch details. A dry clutch is featured on the Multistrada V4 RS Desmosedici Stradale engine from Ducati. Now time has come for the sportiest multi ever. Enter the new Multistrada V4 RS, in many respects a new revolution. First, Multistrada V4 RS is powered by a 1,103 cubic centimeters Desmosedici Stradale capable of 180 horsepower and 12,250 RPM and 87 pound-ft peak torque at 9,500 RPM. Basically a milder Panigale V4 Stradale build that will combine exciting peak power and surprising torque delivery over a broad RPM range. This version of the Panigale V4 engine runs with a 14:1 compression ratio and is fed by 450mm, round equivalent, elliptical throttle bodies. The unit also features a dry clutch that gives the ability to adopt the special Ducati Course Shell Advance High Performance Oil. To combine top engine power with real racebike dynamics, the 19-inch front wheel has given way to a 17x 3.50-inch forged wheel shod with a 120/70-17 radial that more effectively cooperates with the 17x 6.00-inch forged wheel shod with a 190/55-17 radial, both Pirelli Diablo Rosso for courses. The return to a 17-inch front wheel required that the whole front-end geometry of the sheet aluminum monocoque frame be revised to compensate for the reduction of the wheel diameter. Consequently, the steering rate has been increased from 24.5 degrees to 25.8. This generates 4.7 inches, 120mm, of trail, a net increase over the previous 4.2.